In this video, I will show you how to set the default font for an Excel file. Here, when I open a new Excel file, you can see the default font is calibrated with a font size of 11. To change this setting, follow these steps. The first step is to click on the File tab in the toolbar, then select Options. The Excel Options dialog box will appear. Next, in the General tab, change the font style under Use this as the default font and the font size under Font Size. Here, I will choose Arial as the font style and 12 as the font size, then click OK to complete the process. Now, when you open a new Excel file, the font style and size will have been updated to what you previously set. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.